As of today, the largest search engine in the world is none other than Google. Google has more than 4 billion users worldwide. So wherever you are, what I'm going to show you is one of the simplest ways of making cash online, since there's no selling, no partner advertising, no web-based entertainment supporters needed, and no past experience is required. All you have to do is just reorder or paraphrase some text. So, if you stay until the end of this video, you will actually get the chance to make more money, since I will show you 3 extra sites from which you can get compensated. Now, before we get into the video, I want you to look if you are already subscribed to the Money Kings, and if you are not yet subscribed, then click on that button and drop some thumbs up so more and more people would see this video and learn more about how to make money from the comfort of your home. Now, Google has a site called Google News, where you can see different articles and the latest news update. So you need to look for Google News. Once you look for Google News, I need you to open the first official site, news.google.com. This is where you can see the most recent news and the most recent articles on every subject all over the planet. So it resembles a newspaper, so you can find everything on here. News about governmental issues, about business, technology, entertainment, sports science, health, history, and anything that you can imagine. Later on, you can see how this strategy can make you cash and how you will get your free PayPal cash. So stay tuned and you will see precisely how this functions. So here on the left-hand side, you have every one of the categories. You have news about the world. This is about what's going on the planet at this moment. You have your own nearby news, which is something that we will not center around. Essentially, you just need to concentrate on business, innovation, diversion, sports science, and furthermore. For the most part, well-being. You can see, for instance, in the event that I selected the well-being category, this will give me all of the most recent news and every one of the most recent articles connected with health and being. So how about we scroll down and we will see something fascinating on here. For example, this article here. You can select any article that you are interested in. If you are going to click on an article like this one, you will see the news about this topic. But you don't have to think about anything like composing a new article or writing blogs. Also, this doesn't have anything to do with affiliate marketing or CPA advertising or anything like that at all. What you truly need to do is open up that article and you simply need to begin duplicating text from the article you pick. For instance, I will duplicate or copy this text right here. So now, we will be going to another site that we will utilize, which is called Spinbot.com. So you just need to research for that website in your browser and you will be redirected to a page of Spinbot. The amazing thing about Spinbot is that it is free and easy to use. What they do is once you have an article, you can copy and paste it here on the left side. Spinbot will paraphrase that work by using words that are alike but different. So here, you should paste that article which you copied from Google News. Spinbot will rework that article for you so you will have created a whole article that is unique and different and make it your own, but still have the same context. So now you can utilize those articles with the 3 additional sites which I will give to you. Now, these sites will pay you for those articles, and some of them are actually going to pay you $1 for every word. As you can see, those articles have a lot of words, so you can be assured that you will get paid at least a couple $100. Once you have the article, just paste that text in this box here. Now a puzzle me will pop up. Just slide the puzzle to match the empty space. Now watch as Spinbot does the work for you. As you can see, the idea in the article is pretty much the same, but it's utilizing unique words. It is using equivalent words and it is revamping it in words that would sound like your own. Then, you will duplicate that one-of-a-kind and modified article by copying, and you can now head over to the following 3 sites to get paid for those articles. The primary site that we will utilize is called EatingWell.com. So on EatingWell.com, you can present your own articles and you can compose articles for this site. Furthermore, earn money for doing that. But rather than you doing all the hard work of composing those articles for quite a long time, you can essentially utilize Google News and Spinbot to make your own articles, and they will pay you roughly $1 per word. So this is the first site, and I have more sites to show you, so keep watching. And don't skip the video so you won't miss a single important step. Now, if you are wondering how to submit your article first, head to EatingWell.com. On this page, you will simply have to look around until you can find their contact data. So you can just copy their email address, go to your email, and simply email them with a headline titled accommodation or article accommodation or anything that indicates that you are trying to submit your article. Join the document with your own article which you made. Then when you send over that email, they will audit it on the off chance that they like it. They will ask you for your payment preferences. At that point, just leave your PayPal and your email address. To get paid through bank transfer, just simply leave your bank subtleties. You can get paid any way you want. You just have to let them know. Now be sure to submit your payment methods because you are sure to get paid because Google has new articles every few hours, so you can utilize those articles. Revamp them with Spinbot, maybe edit it a little bit, then paste your own article in any document platforms you use like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Then save it in your PC and submit it to those sites. So your first option is EatingWell.com. The next site that we are going to use is called daily.jstor.org. Although this site will pay you a little bit less cash, it is decent one to use. They pay around 30 cents, but they will ask you for up to 2,000 words. And if you think about it, an article with 2,000 words in it is still around $620. It's not so high as the past 2 sites, yet it's still fair amount at 30 cents for each word. And of course, the more articles you submit on these sites, the more cash you will be making. So before we move on, if this video is helping you so far, then share it with your friends so that they can also watch our videos of earning money just with your phone or laptop. Now getting back to the video, the last website I am going to show you is shareaclub.org. Now with shareaclub.org, it is almost the same as the first website, but you can also submit articles related to innovation and science. So you can head back to Google News, open up an article from the classification of science, then copy its text, paste it to Spinbot, then let them modify that article for you and submit it over to shareaclub.org's email address. It's as easy as that. Now you are earning up to $100 just by copying articles from Google News and pasting it to spinbot.com to make your own money. But don't forget to also proofread and check it a little bit yourself before submitting it. You can do this to multiple articles and get paid more and more. Now, if this was helpful, subscribe to Money Kings because we would love to keep you updated about the latest and most convenient ways possible so that you can earn lots of money while being hassle-free using your phone and laptop. Don't forget to like and share this video, and we will let you know when a new video drops. Until then, we will see you again, and thank you for watching.